Thanks for tuning back in. We're out here to test the lights on the 2021 Bronco First Edition that you guys have requested to see. So we're going to be testing all three lighting kits that we've installed and see how well they perform. All right, so we're going to start by turning on the stock headlights. Hit the high beams. Next, we're going to do the Baja Designs Fog Pocket Kit. We're going to start with the ambers and the driving and running lights. Next, we're going to test the Ford Performance Rigid A-pillar lights. We're on to the hammer lights, the Baja Designs XL-Linkable Roof Lighting Kit. Hit the switch. All right, let's shut it off. Let's compare it to the stock lights. All right, hit the roof lights again. Whoa, do you guys see that?
What is that?
Turn it back on. You guys see that?
What is that?
Do you see that? Is that a Sasquatch? I don't know what that was, but we got to get out here. Please hit the like and subscribe. Leave comments for some future suggestions. And thanks for tuning in. Let's get out of here.